Welcome to our exploration of life cycle assessment, or LCA, a powerful tool used in engineering to evaluate the environmental impacts of products and processes. In today's world where sustainability is more important than ever, understanding the full life cycle of a product, from raw material extraction to disposal, helps engineers make informed decisions. We'll start by outlining what LCA is, why it's essential, and how it fits into the broader context of environmental responsibility. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how LCA guides engineers toward more sustainable solutions. Life cycle assessment is a systematic approach for evaluating the environmental aspects of a product or process throughout its entire lifespan. This means looking at every stage, from the extraction of raw materials, through manufacturing and use, all the way to disposal or recycling. By considering each phase, LCA provides a comprehensive picture of environmental impacts, such as energy consumption, emissions, and waste generation. This holistic view is crucial for identifying opportunities to reduce negative effects and improve sustainability in engineering projects. Importance of life cycle assessment lies in its ability to reveal hidden environmental costs that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, a product may seem eco-friendly during use, but its manufacturing or disposal could have significant negative impacts. LCA helps engineers and decision-makers see the bigger picture, ensuring that improvements in one area don't inadvertently cause harm elsewhere. This comprehensive perspective is key to developing truly sustainable engineering solutions. Life cycle assessment is typically divided into four main stages: goal and scope definition, inventory analysis, impact assessment, and interpretation. Each stage plays a critical role in ensuring the assessment is thorough and accurate. By systematically moving through these steps, engineers can identify where the most significant environmental impacts occur and prioritize efforts to address them. Let's take a closer look at each stage in the following scene. First stage of LCA is defining the goal and scope of the assessment. This involves clearly stating what the study aims to achieve, what product or process is being analyzed, and the boundaries of the assessment. For example, will the study include transportation and packaging or focus only on manufacturing? Setting these parameters ensures that the results are relevant and meaningful, guiding the rest of the assessment process. Next comes inventory analysis, where all inputs and outputs associated with the product or process are identified and quantified. This includes raw materials, energy use, emissions, and waste. By collecting detailed data, engineers can create a comprehensive inventory that forms the foundation for the impact assessment. Accurate inventory analysis is essential for understanding where resources are consumed and pollutants are generated. Third stage, impact assessment, evaluates the potential environmental effects of the inputs and outputs identified in the inventory. This involves categorizing impacts, such as global warming potential, acidification, or resource depletion. By translating raw data into meaningful environmental indicators, engineers can prioritize which impacts are most significant and require action. This step is crucial for making informed decisions about sustainability. Final stage of LCA is interpretation, where the results are analyzed to draw conclusions and make recommendations. Engineers review the findings, identify key issues, and suggest improvements or alternatives. Interpretation ensures that the assessment leads to actionable insights, helping organizations reduce their environmental footprint and make better choices for the planet. Life cycle assessment is widely used in engineering fields to guide product design, process optimization, and policy development. For example, LCA can help engineers choose materials with lower environmental impacts, design products for easier recycling, or develop cleaner manufacturing processes. By integrating LCA into engineering practice, organizations can create more sustainable products and systems. Consider the case of building materials. Engineers use LCA to compare the environmental impacts of different options such as concrete, steel, or wood. By analyzing factors like energy use, emissions, and end-of-life disposal, they can select materials that minimize harm to the environment. This approach supports greener construction and helps meet sustainability goals. In electronics manufacturing, LCA is used to assess the environmental impact of devices from production to disposal. Engineers evaluate energy consumption, hazardous materials, and recycling options. This helps companies design products that are more energy efficient, use safer materials, and are easier to recycle, reducing their overall environmental footprint. Transportation systems are another area where LCA plays a vital role. By analyzing the life cycle of vehicles, fuels, and infrastructure, engineers can identify opportunities to reduce emissions and energy use. This might involve choosing alternative fuels, improving vehicle efficiency, or designing better public transit systems. LCA supports the transition to more sustainable transportation. Life cycle assessment offers several key benefits. It provides a comprehensive understanding of environmental impacts, supports informed decision-making, and helps organizations meet regulatory and sustainability requirements. By identifying hotspots and opportunities for improvement, LCA enables engineers to design products and processes that are better for the environment and society. Despite its advantages, life cycle assessment also presents challenges. Gathering accurate data can be difficult, especially for complex products with global supply chains. Assumptions and uncertainties in the analysis can affect results. Engineers must carefully consider these limitations and strive for transparency and accuracy in their assessments. Effective data collection is essential for a reliable LCA. Engineers gather information from various sources, including suppliers, manufacturers, and databases. The quality and completeness of this data directly impact the accuracy of the assessment. Investing time and resources in thorough data collection pays off in more meaningful and actionable results. Manage the complexity of life cycle assessment, engineers often use specialized software tools. These programs help organize data, perform calculations, and generate reports. Popular LCA software includes CymaPro, GABI, and OpenLCA. By leveraging these tools, engineers can conduct more efficient and consistent assessments, even for large and complex projects. Life cycle assessment is guided by international standards, such as ISO 14040 and ISO 14044. These standards provide a framework for conducting LCA, ensuring consistency and credibility. Following established guidelines helps engineers produce reliable results that can be compared across projects and organizations. LCA uses a variety of environmental indicators to measure impacts. Common indicators include carbon footprint, water use, energy consumption, and toxicity. By tracking these metrics, engineers can identify which aspects of a product or process have the greatest environmental impact and target them for improvement. One of the most widely used indicators in LCA is the carbon footprint, which measures the total greenhouse gas emissions associated with a product or process. By calculating the carbon footprint, engineers can assess contributions to climate change and develop strategies to reduce emissions, such as using renewable energy or improving efficiency. In addition to carbon emissions, LCA examines water and energy use throughout the product lifecycle. Engineers analyze where water and energy are consumed most heavily and look for ways to reduce usage. This might involve selecting more efficient processes, recycling water, or utilizing renewable energy sources. Waste generation and recycling are critical aspects of LCA. Engineers assess how much waste is produced at each stage and explore options for recycling or reusing materials. By designing products for easier disassembly and recycling, they can minimize landfill use and conserve resources, supporting a circular economy. LCA also considers the potential toxicity of materials and processes, evaluating risks to human health and ecosystems. Engineers identify hazardous substances and seek safer alternatives, ensuring that products are not only environmentally friendly but also safe for people and wildlife. Resource depletion is another key focus of LCA. Engineers assess the use of non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels and minerals and look for ways to use materials more efficiently or substitute renewable alternatives. This helps ensure long-term sustainability and reduces dependence on finite resources. Designing products with the environment in mind is a core principle of sustainable engineering. LCA informs eco-design by highlighting the stages with the greatest impacts and suggesting improvements. This might include using recycled materials, reducing packaging, or designing for longer product life. LCA is also used to optimize manufacturing processes. By identifying inefficiencies and environmental hotspots, engineers can redesign processes to use less energy, generate less waste, and reduce emissions. Continuous improvement based on LCA findings leads to more sustainable operations over time. The environmental impact of a product often extends beyond the factory. LCA helps engineers assess the entire supply chain, from raw material extraction to transportation and distribution. By working with suppliers and partners, organizations can reduce impacts throughout the value chain and achieve greater sustainability. End-of-life management is a crucial part of LCA. Engineers evaluate options for product disposal, recycling, or reuse, aiming to minimize environmental harm. Designing for disassembly and material recovery supports a circular economy and reduces the burden on landfills. The concept of a circular economy is closely linked to LCA. Instead of a linear take-make-dispose model, a circular economy emphasizes keeping materials in use for as long as possible. LCA helps engineers design products and systems that support reuse, recycling, and regeneration, closing the loop and reducing waste. Governments and regulatory bodies increasingly require LCA as part of environmental compliance. Policies may mandate reporting of environmental impacts or set standards for product design and manufacturing. By staying ahead of regulations, organizations can avoid risks and demonstrate leadership in sustainability. Many companies use LCA to support their sustainability strategies. By quantifying environmental impacts, organizations can set targets, track progress, and communicate achievements to stakeholders. LCA provides credible data that enhances transparency and builds trust with customers and investors. Consumers are increasingly interested in the environmental impact of the products they buy. LCA enables companies to provide transparent information about their products, helping consumers make more sustainable choices. Labels and certifications based on LCA results can influence purchasing decisions and drive demand for greener products. Ecolabels and certifications such as Energy Star or Ecolabel are often based on LCA results. These labels help consumers identify products with lower environmental impacts and encourage manufacturers to improve their offerings. LCA provides the scientific basis for credible and meaningful ecolabels. Life cycle assessment is a valuable tool for product innovation. By identifying environmental hotspots and opportunities for improvement, engineers can develop new products that are more sustainable and competitive. LCA-driven innovation helps companies stay ahead in a rapidly changing market. Effective life cycle assessment often requires collaboration across departments and organizations. Engineers, designers, suppliers, and customers must work together to gather data and implement improvements. Collaborative LCA efforts lead to more comprehensive assessments and better sustainability outcomes. LCA is not a one-time activity but an ongoing process. As new data becomes available and technologies evolve, engineers revisit assessments and update their strategies. Continuous improvement ensures that products and processes remain aligned with the latest sustainability goals and best practices. Education and training are essential for effective LCA implementation. Engineers and other professionals need to understand LCA principles, methods, and tools. Ongoing learning ensures that teams can conduct high-quality assessments and drive sustainability initiatives forward. Looking ahead, life cycle assessment is expected to become even more important as sustainability challenges grow. Advances in data analytics, artificial intelligence, and digital tools will make LCA more accessible and accurate. Engineers will be able to assess impacts in real time and make faster, better decisions. Digitalization is transforming life cycle assessment. With the rise of big data and cloud computing, engineers can access more comprehensive and up-to-date information. Digital tools streamline data collection, analysis, and reporting, making LCA more efficient and scalable for organizations of all sizes. Circular design principles are increasingly integrated with LCA. By designing products for reuse, repair, and recycling, engineers can extend product life and reduce waste. LCA provides the data needed to evaluate and optimize circular strategies, supporting a more sustainable future. Sustainability is a global challenge, and LCA encourages international collaboration. Engineers and organizations around the world share data, best practices, and innovations to address environmental issues. Global cooperation accelerates progress toward shared sustainability goals. Policymakers use LCA to inform regulations and incentives for sustainable development. By basing decisions on scientific assessments, governments can create policies that effectively reduce environmental impacts and promote innovation. LCA ensures that policies are grounded in real-world data and analysis. Life cycle assessment supports the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. By measuring and managing environmental impacts, LCA helps organizations contribute to goals such as responsible consumption, climate action, and clean energy. Integrating LCA into engineering practice aligns efforts with global sustainability priorities. The real-world impact of LCA is significant. From reducing emissions in manufacturing to designing greener products, LCA empowers engineers to make a tangible difference. As more organizations adopt LCA, the collective benefits for the environment and society continue to grow. Summarize, life cycle assessment is a vital tool for evaluating and reducing the environmental impacts of engineering products and processes. By considering every stage of the life cycle, LCA provides a comprehensive view that supports better decision-making, innovation, and sustainability. Its applications span industries and contribute to a healthier planet. As we look to the future, the role of life cycle assessment in engineering will only grow. With ongoing advancements in technology and increasing global focus on sustainability, LCA will remain a cornerstone of responsible engineering. By embracing LCA, engineers can lead the way toward a more sustainable and environmentally conscious world.